All right, round 3 here at the bike show here. 29th of March 2025. Have a nice little bike. Take a lot of pictures from a Faker book, so these are cool as hell. I'm more of a car guy, but I have a lot of respect for motorcycles. Still doing the same kind of thing with cars. It's a 2017 cheap vintage, very nice. Very, very nice. Anybody that can fabricate like this got my vote. This is kind of cool. Boy said, wish I had a huge plot of land. I'd have when I was younger and I had more money. But I had a station wagon Hall of Fame museum. Collect station wagons. I think they're cool. This is my favorite one right here. This one's cool as hell. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. You look good on that, huh? Get you on there? Yeah. Get your hiney on there?
Too high.
Yeah, we'll get her on there. No, he'll get you on there. He doesn't care. He'll like, see you later, baby girl. We'll nickname that baby girl.
Yeah, wow.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, I don't blame it. It's too high, but I get it. Kind of cool. Just love these. I love how I love the paint. But it's just a cool bike. I mean, it's so cool. It deserves another look, you guys. Look at that. Don't turn it up. Oh man, damn it. Got to walk away from that. It's too bad. Gotta turn it down. There you go. Thank you. I don't want to get over there and all of a sudden you get music thing on there. So go over here. One thing about it, there's not a lot of. There we go. Shit. Thunderstruck. Turn it up. I gotta be careful. So, that's a cool little bike. Excuse me. Kinda gotta go around that stuff. Get on over into here. More rings over here. We'll make our way down. I never heard from last year. They'll probably turn the music up, so that's a nice little bike. Oh my goodness. Thunderstruck, oh my God, look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy, huh? A lot of work there, man. That's crazy. It's nuts. Joe mopping the dirt. Nice. Little bike right here. 1937 it says. Nice. Go over here a little bit. Kind of got to make our way over here to get to the bikes. What time is this? What year is this one? 2010. Hell yeah. My goodness. Yeah, there's all kinds of bikes, man. They're pretty well known here in town. A lot of gunts here, a lot of biker women showing the gunts. Nice little bike with that seat. Cool. 2003, it says, Harley Davidson. All these are older ones. I don't know if this generation of kids understand bikes. Thanks. Gotta have the helmet on. Yeah, a lot of women are, a lot of tatted women up here today. Metalwood Garage is behind me. This is a nice one. What was this one? 2006. Mm-hmm. Oh, bad boy. Nice bike. Kind of cool. I've seen this one before, a lady over here. She's Scooter's original. She's got all kinds of stuff. Handmade Minnesota. Over here. At Minnesota. She's got all kinds of stuff here. You can use your top when you go on a cruise. Sit down at the beach. Very nice. Love it. Well done. Hell of a nice paint job on there. You got jewelry over here. More stuff you can buy. Necklaces. Let's go over here. More clothing. Clothing, head to tails. Kind of remind me of the hat guy from Guns N' Roses. Leather hats. Tank top for the women. Get over into here. More more gaudy stuff. Yeah, these are some nice tops. These are solid as hell. Well, they're kind of a lighter leather, but they're nice. Look at he breathes for the women. Boobs over there, shame on you. I like that color. These are nice. Doggy clothes. Over here. Dakota County Riders. We do a lot of ride for the military. Right. You got your The doggy food. Dog clothes. Nice. Dirty Biker Design Company. Oh yeah. We got a lot of fun stuff here. Oh, doggy do. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Nice bike. I like that one. Got the honoring the fresh cigars, you know, damn right. Wine wetter. That's right. You name it. Got it, man. You need something more than coffee, but less than cocaine. These are nice purses, man. Yeah, women, you like those kind of stuff. Heck yeah. That's kind of cool. I like it. Looks like a boombox. Very nice. Very cool. Oops. It's okay. More rings. That's right. For sale. Oops, sorry. I've been over here, JD Blake. I've seen these people before. They have all kinds of stuff. Oh yeah. So anyways, we'll go one of the other momentarily here. So anyways, guys, this kind of goes down there. So we're gonna go into the. We have an area over here where you go and then you can buy all kinds of fun stuff. I gotta use the head real quick in the first place. All right, see you next one.